Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to use the platform to build a website for your jewelry store. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with the system, Marty Sats is the easiest way to create a one-page website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, it's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, give it a go, and see how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for a jewelry store. There's also a repair service and an engraver and a designer. But for this one, I'm going to be showing you how to use the store option. So I'm going to select that template. Great. Let's tell Multisite a few basic details about our jewelry store so it can generate a one-page website. I'm now going to go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm now going to change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address and click continue. Right, let's tell Marty South where our physical location is. Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code and let's move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open at 9 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We're open 7 days a week for all your jewelry needs. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order. Everything looks good to me. I'm now going to click next. Now look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as well. As you can see, they are all high quality and they are completely free to use, so you don't need to worry. However, if you've got your own images of your beautiful jewelry you have in stock in your store and you want to make a few amendments to the content that is just a guideline for you, you can do that. It's super simple. So I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom for each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how easy Marty Sites is to use. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer with a huge hourly rate or anything like that. So I'm going to hit to update section at the top and make sure I click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so customers can easily get in touch and ask me their queries. Let's go ahead and click save and head to update social links. Now over here we can put in our various social media platforms. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to hit to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There's a few great options on there for jewelry shops. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to browse my device and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Awesome. Let's make sure that's saved. And now I'm going to move along. That looks really great and it's coming together really nicely. Now, perhaps the colors that have been pre-selected for you as well don't quite go with your branding and your signage throughout your jewelry store, your logo, your business cards. You don't need to know color coding to make the changes and amend the colors. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color options available. So I'm going to see what's going to work best for me and my branding. So I think I'm going to go ahead and leave this one. Wait, let me try one more. Let's have a look at one more page. I think I'm going to go ahead and select this one and click save. You can change the colors at a later stage if you need to. So as I said, the content is pre-written for you. Images are pre-selected and they are completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images, all you need to do is head to update section, update image, browse from your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of free images to choose from, but you do need to get a little bit of creativeness going over here and just try different terms. Search for general terms related to a jewelry store. So I like going to go through it one more page. Let's take a look. Let's see if this one works well. I think that looks really pretty, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I can also head over to update content and change the title and subtitle to suit my needs, which is this over here. We can also link that button to various other places. So perhaps you don't want it to say get in touch, perhaps you want it to say get directions. Go ahead and click on choose a link. You can link to another website if necessary. You can link to an action like click to call, directions. So for this one, I'm going to put it as directions. There is also an option to upload a PDF file, which is one of my favorites. Go ahead and pop all your specials or your promotions or maybe some of your catalog in PDF format. Upload it there so when your customers click on that button, they will automatically be taken to that PDF file you've just uploaded. Let's move along. Over here again, pre-written content, button can link to various places. If you need to make any changes, go ahead and click on update section. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your jewelry store came to be, how long you've been in the industry, what made you get into the industry, maybe a little bit more details of the team running the show. Another great spot for a high quality image over here. If you need to make some changes, all you need to do is click on update section. It's that simple. Another great spot for a high quality image, upload one of your own or choose one from the photo library by clicking on update section. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer, like the different jewelry pieces you stock. So perhaps you offer designer watches, engagement rings, wedding bands, earrings, pearl necklaces. Go ahead and put all of them over here. Your customers would love to know before they visit you what they can find at your jewelry store. So look at that. I've literally gone through my Marty Sites website for my jewelry store in literally less than 10 minutes. I've gone through each section. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any web coding whatsoever. Didn't need to hire anyone to help me out to do this. And I'm not even that tech savvy. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed like most other online services these days. So give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. Click on that link below this video. If you've got a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide on our channel. There's also a blog post over at www.martysites.com on the blog, a step-by-step guide, as well as some great small business marketing tips for you to get more customers and get some engagement going. If you don't quite have a custom domain yet, the great thing about Mighty Sites is you can now officially purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We wanted to make it super convenient for you to purchase a domain. So we've now introduced the feature where you can buy your domain via Mighty Sites. All you need to do is click on this handy little button over here, connect your domain, and see the options. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your jewelry store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see on the multi-sites platform in future, please do comment and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.